little girl, and my face may not grace the mind of everyone in the world. That's alright, as long as I can have one wish I pray. Oh, when people look inside my life, I want to hear them say, she has her father's eyes, her father's eyes. You know, eyes that find the good in things when good is not around, and eyes that find